Well, hello everyone. Welcome back, guys. Hope you all are doing well. This is Mohammad Badruddin back again after a long time, approximately 6 months or more than that. What I was doing in that period of time, I will create one other video for that and I will explain what I did. Actually, I was preparing for CISSP exam and finally I passed that exam. Really sorry because the only thing is time, and with the job it's very hard to manage the time. So I leave everything and I just prepare and focus on CISSP, and finally I passed the exam on 25th of May 2024. So I will create that video, how I prepare, what resources I used, in a separate video. But for today, I will start from where I left. So this is lab number 9 for cross-site scripting, and today we are going to see reflected cross-site scripting into a JavaScript string with angle brackets HTML encoded. This is the lab. This lab contains a reflected cross-site scripting vulnerability in the search query tracking functionality where angle brackets are encoded. The reflection occurs inside a JavaScript string, and to solve the lab, perform a XSS attack that breaks out of the JavaScript string and call the alert function. So let's see what's inside this lab, and I'm going to access the lab now. It's basically saying whatever you are going to input in the text field, it is going to reflect somewhere in the JavaScript string. As you can see here, the reflection occurs inside a JavaScript string. So whatever input we are going to put, we will see that in the JavaScript string, and we need to find out a way to make possible for exploiting this vulnerability cross-site scripting in this particular situation where you find your input in the JavaScript string. So how you can break that string to put your payload to be executed. So this is the lab here, and here is pretty beautiful search box. So let's say cybersec radar. Okay, so let's search this. There is no result. We just have whatever we write. So I'm just going to right click, go to the inspect, and here what I'm going to do, click here, and whatever I want to search, I'm going to search, click on this, and here you can see we found our string, whatever we input here in the heading tags, right? But what about this script tag? So as you can see here, cybersec radar. So this is the script where it's creating a variable, and the variable name is search term. So whatever we put in this input field, it is going to take that string and execute it within the document dot write. Fine. And here finally it is going to call search term. So you can see whatever we input here, type here, we are going to see it here. So let's see, if I do not write anything, just space and search again. Fine. Now again, okay, I'm going to just click here. So we have in this form, and there is a script. So now you can see there is only space and it is enclosed with a single quote. Fine. So what if I want to put here alert function, alert, and just search, going to click here and then just click on this search bar, scroll down a bit, and here is the script. So you can see this alert function is within the single quotes, right? So I want to escape or break this one within the single quotes. I don't want this to be in the single quote. So what I can do, to complete this single quote, I can put one more single quote before the alert. So let's say single quote alert, and like this. Fine. Again, and go to the script here. Now you can see this is enclosed, but still all this all of this single quote alert within the single quote. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try greater than sign and then alert. And in the description of this lab, it's saying that the angle brackets are encoded, HTML encoded. So we should see here greater than, right? Good, fine. So why not, let's try here before alert, let's try some arithmetic operators and logical operators to just break this one, right? So what I'm going to do within the single quote, enclosed with the single quote, I'm going to try, let's say plus. Within the plus, I'm going to say alert and search this. Fine, well done. And we get the alert function to be executed. And if I click OK, we solve the lab. So these arithmetic functions, basically what it's doing, it's trying to execute its own meaning, like plus to plus. So let's see, click here, come here, go to the script tags, and as you can see, two single quotes here, there is nothing, then a plus operator, arithmetic operator, then it's calling alert, and then plus this. So I think approximately most of the arithmetic operators are going to be work here for us. If you can try, let's say, I'm going to close this, you got the idea. Let's say I'm going to call it minus. Within the minus, let's say alert, call it, and it works. Let's try to find out logical operators. Let's try logical operators. Alert within the single pipe. Okay, that's also working. Let's try another logical operator, and alert. Yeah, this one also working. Fine, that's it. We solved the lab and it's pretty easy. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.